Hello, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how to create a virtual machine using the Hyper-V. Uh, I had already created a video on how to enable Hyper-V option in the Windows Professional or Enterprise version. If you don't know, you can refer to that video. So here I'm going to show how to create it. So to create, you should already have downloaded the ISO for the different. So here now I have already downloaded. So now I'm going to creating a virtual machine here. So first right click and create new virtual machine, and here you can give a virtual machine name, and I had to create on a different folder, so I'm choosing that option, and now I'm gonna choose a folder which I created for this. So I have selected, and now I'm selecting generation 2 and choosing 8 GB of RAM here, so I'm putting the required one, and I'm enabling the network here, so just enabled. Now it's going to create a virtual disk here. So I'm going to install the operating system now. So I'm choosing the ISO which I had already downloaded. So I selected that and just change the name. I'm just updating the size to 50 GB here. So let's see if it, yes, so that's the problem. So now we had fixed. So now I'm saving this setting. So before you start, one important thing is to enable the TPM because it is mandatory to have the TPM enabled for the Windows 11. So just go there to the properties of the virtual machine, go to security and enable trusted platform module. Once you have enabled it, apply, press OK. Now you can start the first connect so that you can see your virtual machine window and just click start. So let's wait. So now it's saying press any key for start. Let me, so you have to press any key. So now it started booting the ISO file which we had selected now. So that is booted. So once it is booted, select language and your time format. So once you have selected that, press next, and in this window select your input method, the keyboard locally. Once you had selected, now install Windows and I agree every settings, and let's see. I don't have a key now, so I'm proceeding without entering the key. So I choose I don't have the key. I'm gonna install the Pro version, so I just selected that. So now it's there. I'm accepting the terms and condition. So it's already detected the disk which I created for this, so I want to install in that partition. So now I'm selecting next. Now you can see the installation has already started. I will fast forward the video, and once the installation is completed, I will resume it. So the device has been restarted after the primary installation. Now we had successfully completed the configuration of our virtual machine. So it is already created, and now you can configure it further. So thank you for watching. If this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.